Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, myself Kasle PB, Junior College Teacher, Department of Mathematics from Red Shikshan Sanstha's RBNB College, Sri Rampur. Students, in the last lecture we have seen application, approximation and examples based on approximation. Now today we have going to study next application, increasing and decreasing function. What is meant by increasing and decreasing function? And then we can take examples based on increasing and decreasing function. Now first we see what is meant by increasing function here. Application is increasing and decreasing function, and first definition of increasing function. A function f of x is said to be strictly increasing function in open interval AB if for every x1 comma x2 belongs to R or open interval AB, where x1 less than x2, this implies that f of x1 is also less than f of x2. That is, if the value of x1 is less than x2, then value of f of x1 is also less than f of x2, then that function is called as increasing function. Okay? Or in other words, if we know derivative of given function f dash of x, if f dash of x is greater than 0, then function is also said to be increasing function, or vice versa. If f of x is increasing function if and only if f dash of x is equal to 0, that is first derivative of function is greater than 0. Okay, now we see second definition, decreasing function. Decreasing function. Now here also a function f of x is said to be strictly decreasing function in an open interval AB if for every x1 comma x2 belongs to open interval AB with x1 less than x2, then f of x1 is greater than f of x2. F of x1 is greater than f of x2. That is, if the value of x1 less than x2 belongs to open interval AB, then f of x1 is greater than f of x2, then function is said to be decreasing function. Okay? Or in other words, if first derivative f dash of x is less than 0, f dash of x is less than 0, then the function is also said to be decreasing function. Okay, now third case is if the function has derivative f dash of x is equal to 0, then we cannot say the function is increasing function or decreasing function. Okay, now there are three conditions. If f dash of x greater than 0, then function is increasing function. Second condition, if f dash of x is less than 0, then function is decreasing function, and if f dash of x is equal to 0, then we cannot deduce the function is increasing or decreasing function. Okay, now we see examples on this application, increasing and decreasing function. Now we see first example here. First example, test whether the following functions are increasing or decreasing. Test whether the following functions are increasing or decreasing functions, or decreasing functions. number first, f of x equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 12x, x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 16 comma x belongs to R, that is set of real number. Second example, number second, f of x is equal to x minus 1 by x, comma, where x belongs to R, x belongs to R, and x is not equal to 0, x is not equal to 0. Now we see answer for first example. Answer for first, consider given function, consider given function f of x equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 16. Okay, differentiate this equation with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, therefore derivative of f of x is f dash of x, derivative of x cube is 3x square minus derivative of 6x square is, derivative of x square is 2x, 2 into 6 12x plus derivative of 12x is 12, because derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of 16 is 0. Okay, that is we get f dash of x equal to 3x square minus 12x plus 12. Now we can take here 3 common, that is f dash of x equal to 3 into in bracket x square minus 4x plus 4, that is f dash of x equal to 3 into in bracket, we can write this bracket as x square minus 4x plus 4 means x minus 2 bracket square. Okay, if we take expansion of this x minus 2 bracket square, then we get x square minus 4x plus 4. Now here in this equation 3 is greater than 0, 3 is always greater than 0, and x minus 2 bracket square is also greater than 0 for every x. If we take x is equal to any real number, then we can take x minus 2 bracket square is greater than 0. If we take x is equal to 2 only, then we get x, this term is equal to 0. Other than x minus 2 bracket square is greater than 0. Therefore, this product 3 into x minus 2 bracket square is greater than 0. Therefore, f dash of x is greater than 0. Therefore, the given function, therefore f of x is increasing function, f of x is increasing function. Okay, now we see answer for second example. Answer for second, example, consider again here f of x equal to x minus 1 by x. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. We can take derivative of this function. Derivative of f of x is f dash of x equal to derivative of x with respect to x is 1 minus derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 upon x square, minus 1 upon x square. That is, we get here f dash of x is equal to 1 minus into minus plus 1 upon x square, where x is not equal to 0. Now if we take any value of x belongs to from set of real number, x belongs to R, then this term 1 plus 1 upon x square is greater than 0. Therefore here 1 plus 1 upon x square is greater than 0. Therefore f dash of x is also greater than 0. Therefore given function f of x is increasing function. This function is also increasing function. Okay, now we see one more example, another type of examples. We have to given f of x is increasing function or decreasing function, and then we have to find the values of x. Find the values of x. Example, find the values of x for which the function f of x, for which the function f of x equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x plus 12 is strictly decreasing function, is strictly decreasing function. Okay, we have to given that f of x is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x plus 12 is a strictly decreasing function, and we have to find the values of x. Now we see answer for this example. Consider given function, that is f of x equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x plus 12. Say this as the equation number first. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore derivative of f of x is f dash of x equal to derivative of x cube 3x square minus derivative of 9x square is 9 into 2 18x plus derivative of 24x is 24 plus derivative of 12 is 0. That is f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 18x plus 24. Now we can take common here, 3 common. F dash of x equal to 3 into x square minus 6x plus 8. But we have to given f of x is an increasing function, since f of x is increasing function. Therefore f dash of x is, sorry, we have to given here f of x is a decreasing function. F of x is decreasing function. Therefore f dash of x is less than 0. F dash of x is less than 0. Therefore here this term 3 into in bracket x square minus 6x plus 8 less than 0. Therefore 3 into x square minus 6x plus 8 less than 0. That is 3 into, we factorize this quadratic equation. Now choose any two numbers whose product is 8 and addition is minus 6. That is 4 into 2. X square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 less than 0. That is 3 into in bracket x square We can take pair here, first pair, and this is second pair. We can take x common here from first two terms. In bracket remains x minus 4. Here take minus 2 common, minus 2 into in bracket x minus 4 square bracket complete less than 0. That is 3 into in bracket. We can take x minus 4 common. X minus 4 common. In bracket remains x minus 2. X minus 2 less than 0. Okay, that is x minus 4 into x minus 2 less than 0. These 3 becomes 0. If we take other side, 0 upon 3 means 0. Now here product of two numbers, a into b less than 0. Now there are two cases arises here. First case is a is less than 0 and b is greater than 0, that is x minus 4 less than 0 and x minus 2 greater than 0. Or second condition, x minus 4 greater than 0 and x minus 2 is less than 0. Okay. Now consider here two cases. Then either x minus 4 less than 0, x minus 4 less than 0 and x minus 2 greater than 0, or second condition, x minus 4 greater than 0 and x minus 2 less than 0. Now first we consider first case. Case first, x minus 4 less than 0 and x minus 2 greater than 0. Okay, that is x less than 4 and x greater than 2. X less than 4 and x greater than 2. This implies that 2 less than x less than 4. That is x lies between 2 and 4. X lies between 2 and 4. Okay. Now we consider second case. Case second. That is x minus 4 greater than 0 and x minus 2 less than 0. That is we can write here x greater than 4 and x less than 2. Now here x is greater than 4 and x also less than 2. This is not true. This condition or this case is false. Therefore x lies between 2 and 4 only. That is values of x lies between 2 and 4. We can write this as x belongs to open interval 2 and 4. X belongs to 2 and 4. This is the solution for example. X belongs to 2 to 4. Now we see second example here. Next example. Now next example is find the values of x. Find the values of x for which the following function, for which the following function are strictly, following function is strictly increasing, is strictly increasing function. Now here function is f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 6. Now here in this example we have to given that this function is an increasing function and we have to find the values of x. Now we see answer for this example. Answer: consider given function, that is f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 6. Say that this as equation number first. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of f of x is f dash of x equal to derivative of 2 into derivative of x cube. 2 as it is, derivative of x cube is 3x square minus 3 into derivative of x square 2x minus derivative of 12x is 12 plus derivative of 6 is 0. That is, we get here f dash of x is equal to 2 into 3 6x square minus 6x minus 12. We can take 6 common here. F dash of x is equal to 6 into in bracket x square minus x minus 2 but we have to given f of x is an increasing function. Since f of x is increasing function, strictly increasing function, therefore f dash of x is greater than 0. F dash of x is greater than 0. Therefore we can write here 6 into x square minus x minus 2 is greater than 0. That is, x square minus x minus 2 less than 0 upon 6. That is, x square minus x minus 2 less than 0. Sorry, greater than 0. X square minus x minus 2 greater than 0. Now we have to factorize this equation, quadratic equation. X square minus x minus 2. Now we choose any two numbers whose product is minus 2 and addition is minus 1. These numbers are minus 2 and 1. That is, x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 greater than 0. Take pairs here. Take x common from first pair. X into in bracket remains x minus 2. Here take 1 common. In bracket remains x minus 2 greater than 0. Now take x minus 2 common from these two terms. That is, x minus 2 into in bracket remains x plus 1 greater than 0. Now here also product of two numbers is greater than 0. That is, a into b greater than 0. Then here also arises two cases. A into b greater than 0. A into b greater than 0. This implies that a greater than 0 and b greater than 0. Both are greater than 0. Or a less than 0 and b less than 0. Both are less than 0. Then product of these two numbers is greater than 0. By using these two conditions, we can find the value of x. Then either x minus 2 less than 0, either x minus 2 less than 0 and x plus 1 less than 0, or x minus 2 greater than 0 and x plus 1 also greater than 0. Now we use first case here. Consider first case and then find the value of x. Case first. X minus 2 less than 0 and x plus 1 less than 0. That is x less than 2 here, and here x less than minus 1. X less than 2 and x less than minus 1. This implies that x is less than 2. X is less than 2. Now use second condition. Second condition is, now here x less than 2 and x also less than minus 1. Now minus 1 is less than 2. Therefore, we can write here x is less than minus 1. X is less than minus 1. Now consider second case. Case second. X minus 2 greater than 0 and x plus 1 greater than 0. That is, we can write here x greater than 2 and x greater than minus 1. X greater than minus 1. That is, x greater than 2 and x greater than minus 1. This implies that x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2. X is greater than 2. Now from case first and second. From case first and second, we can write here x is greater than 2 or x is less than minus 1. X, value of x is either greater than 2 or less than minus 1. These are the values of x. Okay, this is the solution for given example. X is less than minus 1 or x is greater than 2. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.